to Seed Time and Harvest.
All right, everyone, welcome again to Seed Time and Harvest. Today we have another exciting episode. We're going to be harvesting some potatoes, fingerling potatoes. Come on in and let's get harvesting. Thank you, puppy. All right, so we're going to be harvesting some fingerling potatoes today. A few months ago, Hopeful gave us, they were throwing out potatoes and we got a box of potatoes that had the roots on it, the fingerlings they were sprouting. We showed you how we sprouted those potatoes, how we planted them actually. And so today we decided, all right, why not bring you in for a harvest video? So all of here we planted the potatoes. You may not be able to see them because the plants died down. And so the tubers are in the ground ready for harvest. And that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Potato is a staple in almost every home. As a matter of fact, those of you watching this video right now more than likely will have potatoes in your house. There's so many things that you can do with potatoes. You can bake them, boil them, steam them, stew them, curry it, you name it. And so potatoes is something that we like to grow, not only because it's delicious, you can also store it for a long time. And as we can see here, this patch is dried out, ready to be harvested, and Joshua is gonna go ahead and give us our potato harvest. So go ahead, Joshi. The potatoes are going to be right around here. So you're just going to put the fork in and raise it up a little bit so we can see the potatoes. Right here. Go deep and then lift it up. Did you find it? All right. There we have it. Thank you. We have our potatoes. Are there any more? And these are the fingerlings. The fingerling potatoes are not as big as your russet potatoes or your yellow gold potatoes. So from this root we got 5. And anything we can get, that's a blessing. So we have, how many we have, Joshi? We have 5, so we're gonna go through and see what we have in the other hole. here's our harvest. The boys planted back in March, and we're very grateful for what we have. They planted about 30 to 35 potatoes, and we got a whole bucket full of fingerlings, and we thank God for that. To preserve your potatoes, just leave them out on a sheet. You put them on a cardboard or a piece of cloth in the sun for about 2 hours, and then you can put them in your garage or in a cool area to store. When your potatoes are storing, you're gonna see that they're gonna start to send out little shoots. What you'll do is you'll just go through and take the shoots off so that you can extend the short storage life of these potatoes. If any of them start to feel soft, then you just want to remove those so they don't spoil the rest of those. All right, and that's it for our potato video, our potato harvest. So we thank God for our potatoes, and until next time, happy planting. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care.